EllieBear again. Today we're here playing Roblox, and the game we are playing is
Cat-Tastic.
no, of this game that we love to play, and it's called Play Cat Red Rescue.
Okay.
There's a cat up here. Mr. Oh, that's another one.
Do you think the cat's in floor 1?
I want to see what's in floor 3.
Okay. How many cats do you have in floor 1?
Where's Marshmallow? I don't want to be Marshmallow.
You have floor 1.
Where's floor 1?
You're 76 out of 80, so you need 4 cats and 2 cats. You want to complete them?
Yeah, and then we're gonna finish. Or yeah. No, we also have. I also need to collect the stuff in it too. I also need to collect some stuff in 2. Mostly 3. Mostly. Oh, I really want to get this one. I want to get this one. This one. Really want to get. Oh, I want to get that ice cream cat with the cookie eyes and this angel fairy cat. Where did you go? I can finally be the astronaut kitty kid. Wait, oh. Wait, let me. Wait.
Oh, there's a heart. There's a heart. There's heart painting. Oh, but we don't have a heart with the painting.
Yeah, but see the paw. I fell down.
Who find the cat?
You got the cat. Yeah. I can't get through. I'll just use the egg. You can use the egg.
You need to open it.
I said you can use the egg to get up. Then I can just jump to the door. I made it to the door.
Yeah.
I'm pressing the button to the door. I'm talking to you. Oh, there's some cats we need to collect in here. Here. Look. I saw a mystery cat face. Mystery cat face.
Who is this?
Mystery cat face. Mystery cat face.
There's another one.
Mystery cat face. Mystery cat face. Oh, that's another teacher. I got another teacher cat. Here's outside.
He's outside.
Do not see you.
You got it.
One on the floor you need to get.
Yeah.
Oh, I need it. I'm not there anymore. Yeah. Go up here. Up here. It's because yours is lagging. Where's the second?
Where did you get?
Look at me. See me over here.
Okay.
Oh, found another one.
Oh, I complete all.
I think I got all of them.
Where did you get four?
I got it!
Yay! Okay, let's go to go.
They're gone. I think they're gone pretty good.
Okay, let's go to go.
Let's go. That was a little bit crazy. I'm tired because you fed me so much. Why do you feed me? I almost exploded. I almost exploded.
Floor 2, finally.
Enter.
Now we can search the cats.
Oh!
We have a lot of cats to search.
Let's check around. Nothing. Yeah, we got the one in there. That's alright. Nothing else here. We got the one here. And yeah. Oh, secret cat face! Wow! Cat face. There's something in here.
Oh!
And a teacher.
Okay, so we got
Teacher!
64 cats. 64 cats.
That's the teacher right there. We got the cat upstairs.
Okay.
Can't make it up. Okay, finally I did. Ooh, I found a cat.
It's a maze. It's a maze.
I found a cat.
Where?
Come over here.
Where?
I'm over here. Here. Go through here and then here. You'll find a cat.
Okay. Let's go together.
Apple. There's
Go
apple
together.
behind the cage.
That way we don't have to.
There's apple behind the cage.
Okay,
Come
let's
on.
go together. That way we don't have to
Follow me,
go search
okay?
for each other.
Let's.
Can we jump on the wall?
No. I don't
That way we
think.
don't have to.
Follow me, okay?
There's another cat.
I got it. This looks.
Coco.
That looks like a bunny. There's a secret face.
Secret face.
Go. Ooh, cat. Ooh, it's a DJ.
Friend.
It's a DJ.
Cheesy.
Let's
No,
go
what's
this
here?
way.
Here, what's this? Oh, bye. It's a bye.
This way.
Oh,
Cat.
another cat.
My alien senses are
Lizzie. He's a lizard.
my
Lizzie's a lizard.
alien senses are making me go to the cats.
Come here. I think I have an idea. Come here.
Why?
Come here. I think we can use this as a to go up.
But you have to buy it.
No, just go up. Oh, no, it's not possible.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I was able to get up.
Maybe. This is a little bit too skinny though.
Yeah. Where are
There's
we
a
going?
rainbow pom-pom
Where?
up there. There's a rainbow pom-pom.
Oh yeah. Okay, now where do we need to go?
And
There's another cat here, but it's locked.
yeah, that's why I'm trying to look for a button.
Okay, we need to look for a button. This is a pro move. Walk on the wall. Which door did we come from? There's another door
I
here.
think this one.
That one? Okay, let's go through this door.
Okay. I fell. I'll just go there.
Okay.
There's the door. Found it. Ooh, secret cat face.
There's another cat here behind.
There's a secret cat face.
Let's do this one first.
No, I got the secret cat face though. Where's the cat you found? Okay, go to the
just
secret
behind
cat.
the door.
Go to the secret cat face.
We haven't seen the
There's
painting.
stairs.
We need to look for paintings.
I found the cat face painting.
Cat face.
Up here.
Where? Where did you go?
Up here.
Stairs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. One more, and then we can...
My kitty senses and my kitty eyes can see it.
No, we just need one more. Hey, don't go wrong. There's another cat.
I know. I'm just pushing the pop up.
We need just the paw, and then we can incubate that egg.
Yeah.
Ace. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so where are we going? That door?
Wait, make sure there's no kitties left behind.
No kitties left behind.
Like Charles. Ooh.
What's that? Oh, there's a kitty.
Oh, there's a teacher.
Is that teacher? Need to jump.
I'm on the box. But this is like a big maze. We need a red key.
And there's also a button.
You can go through a door and then...
We need to finish this one first before we go through another door.
Yeah. I'm trying to go to the button.
Oh, so far.
I'm stuck.
Let's rescue this kid.
I got up to it! I got up to the button.
Oh,
Yeah.
fire laser.
I'm gonna go up here, okay?
Okay.
Because there's a cat.
I'll try what you did.
I'm trying to rescue this cat.
Oh, I did manage.
See?
Okay, so
Oh, vampire cat!
where did you go?
Over here, and I press another button.
B?
Yes. I press another button. There's a kitty vent. Go to the other side. You're gonna go to the other side, and then you're gonna find a kitty vent.
There's 3 kitties. Did you rescue all those cats?
Not yet, but I'm gonna do that after because there's a kitty vent.
Did you press the button?
Yes. What are you looking at, teacher? I'm just here playing with a pom-pom.
Where are you?
I'm over here. Can you see my name?
Yeah.
Go to it. See? Kitty face. Ooh.
Oh, it's locked.
You need a pom-pom.
Okay, we need to push a pom-pom then.
Pom-pom! Push. You blocked
Oh,
it.
there's a pom-pom.
There we go. I don't think I want to go yet,
I
though.
think I need another pom-pom.
I don't think I want to go yet, though.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go
How
get
many
the cats.
pom-poms did you put? Did you put 1?
Yeah.
So we need 1 more.
There's a lot of pom-poms here.
Where? So we're not going through this one first?
No, I need
Let's
to
rest-
collect.
Yeah, let's rescue them first. The ones over here.
I'm just gonna press this button. And vent. I found a kitty vent and I found a panda. I found a panda cat. Yeah.
Which one did you rescue?
1, 2. I got 2. I just need to get 2 more.
I don't see you. Where are you?
I'm up here. On the spinny.
Did you press all the buttons?
Yes,
Press all the buttons.
I did.
Clappers.
Where do I go now?
Hmm?
How do I get to the other cat?
How do you go? Wait, which cat?
the last cat.
Where are you?
Maybe I'll run to it. I'm running to the last 2 cats. How do you get this cat?
You put a pom-pom.
I can't find the pom-pom.
Kitty ball. Yeah.
Can't find me. You can't come here. All out here, go away.
There's another vent
The
here.
teacher's looking.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Where are you?
Can you help?
Where are you?
I'm in the vent with the
Which
kitty
vent?
face.
Push the pom-pom. Do you have the
I'm
pom-pom?
trying.
Which one? Where are you going?
I'm going to this one.
That one.
I made it. I press a button while opening the cat.
So you have all the buttons.
Yes.
You see me? I'm here.
I'm just collecting this cat.
Yeah. You said you already got that cat.
Oh, chicken cat! Where are you? You're over there? Okay, I'll
Yeah.
come there.
There's another cat here in the vent.
I got that cat. I got that cat.
You got this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait. You wait for me. Panda cat.
Yeah, I got the panda.
We have to get all the cats.
We have to get a red key.
Yeah, we have to get all the cats at the same time. That way we don't.
I'm up here.
Okay. So which way are we going now?
We need to go get a red key.
Go through this one. This one. Follow me.
Teacher's there.
Door.
Okay.
Careful.
There's no teacher.
Let's search around. There's an egg on top. There's a cat over there.
I don't think we're gonna get the egg because I have this one. I think I just got accidentally pushed. Oh, I opened this door because I had the extra.
Don't go through that door yet.
I didn't. I said I opened it.
Yeah. I think we need to go through this one first before we go through that one.
Okay. I already opened it.
This one?
I already had a blue key.
Yeah.
Oh! You just die and then you get a kitty. Just die, you get a kitty.
No, wait. I think we need to get this. Where are you?
I'm in the parkour. If you just die, you go get a kitty. Yeah. If you to get that top one, you just die. You get the kitty.
Where's the other? Oh, there's another kitty over there.
Yeah, I went there. I just fell and then I teleported up there.
Oh, you respawned on top.
Yeah. I got all the kitties.
Okay, wait. Got all the kitties.
Yep.
Nothing in here?
No. Just gonna look around.
Okay. Now it's time to go to that blue door.
I already went there.
Okay.
The door's already open for me. Kitty face, kitty face, kitty face!
Where?
Let's do that. Oh, it's a strawberry cat. Strawberry shortcake cat. Is there any cat behind the door? Why is the door not closing?
There's nothing behind the door.
Okay, this one. It's an apple.
Let's do the parkour first.
I'm
I'll
doing
get
it.
the apple. I'll get the apple.
What do you mean you're gonna get that parkour
How
door?
did you get the apple? Which way did you go?
Here. That's the apple area.
There's a cat in the bed. I mean, I'm stuck. Anyway.
I it.
Got it?
No battery. My iPad no battery. Yay.
Okay,
It works. I'm at the door.
okay, so where are we going next? Where did you go?
Meow, 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 meow. Open.
There's the teacher.
Teacher!
Go to the table.
Table!
There's a button over there. Let's do the button first.
Hey, you pushed me. Ah, she almost got me.
Then let's go here.
I'm on you. I jumped on top of you to get the cat. Cause you pushed me.
Okay, I got it. Let's do it at the same time. That way we don't have to like go back and forth. Okay, so where are we going next? Wait a minute. There's a stairs.
Yeah, let's go to the stairs.
Nothing else in here.
No, I'm sure.
Just checking for anything. Cat face, cat face.
No. Whoa, teacher! You don't see me. I'm just doing something with my
Go
pencil
away,
case.
Go away. Teacher.
I'm just doing something with my pencil case.
Go away, teacher. Go away.
I'm getting my pencil out of my pencil case. Run! Oh, that's her!
What is it?
That cat is
Oh,
her!
Homeroom teacher.
That's the cat! That's the teacher!
Oh, okay. Maybe these cats are imposter. They copied the
Yeah!
other one.
Yeah! Let's go up the stairs.
Come on, run. That's why they are catching us.
That's why.
They copied those the real ones. And
There's a tiny teacher. I got the key. I got a red key. I got a red key. There's a button.
There's a cat behind us.
Yeah, there's a cat.
And then
There's a red
let's see first. Let's see what we got. There's a cat over there.
The button.
Can you see that cat?
Yes,
On
and
the
button.
On our left and right.
And
there's a
button.
cat and a button on the bottom. Okay, which one are you going to do?
Button.
Let's do the bottom first.
I'm just sitting on a chair. I'm just sitting on a chair. How do we get there?
Oh, we've been through here.
Backpack.
Okay, before we go.
Backpack.
Let's go rescue. Oh, there's another cat here. Bottom. Look.
He can't get us here, right?
Yeah.
Balloon.
Okay, now let's rescue the other two cats.
How do we get there though? It looks difficult.
Parkour. Parkour.
Well, I'm gonna see where the
Here,
teacher is.
parkour.
How about the other one? Run! It's a bear!
Bear.
Here.
Where are you? Okay, let's parkour. Going to the other cat.
I get to the other one. Eee! I made it! I made it!
Ah, I did not.
Shadow fox.
Need to go back.
Go inside the bed. Let me inside.
Find that the door with the red key
Before. Like,
before this one.
yeah. No, before. 3 times
So
before.
where are we going?
Wait, no.
The vent?
Yeah, go up there. See, it's a safe spot. You can go up here. Go up here.
Oh, we've been here.
Wait, let me check if this is the red key. Red key door!
Red, is that the red one?
Red key door!
Okay, let's go.
Red key door! Run!
Is there a teacher?
No,
There's a cat over here, right?
I just got an apple. I got 2 cats.
Where are you?
I got a cat. A cheetah cat and the one.
Oh, just look at this egg.
I like this one better. We only need one more.
Oh.
I don't know. Let's go through the door.
Wait.
There's a cat.
Hey, there's a cat upstairs.
I got that one.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shut the door. Secret cat bed.
Blush. Where did you go?
What's in here? I'm gonna be through the vent and there's a cat. Go through the Not yet.
What's in here?
I wanted
we've
to
been
get
here.
the cat there.
We've been here.
I know. Okay, let me just press this button.
We've been through that.
Go back. Go here to press the button. Here. Oh! I'm flying. And then go through here. I'll be waiting.
We haven't gone through this corridor.
That's floor 3.
Floor 3. Now we need to finish floor 2 first.
Yeah.
Floor 1, we haven't completed floor 1.
Let's go through here.
Rescue.
I think there's more cats. I'm gonna check the, okay. There's no more secret cat.
Finish it.
I'm in the area to go on the wall. I'm on the wall.
Is this the same room that we've been?
Yeah.
Okay, so we went through all the other doors.
Yes.
So where are we going next?
I don't know.
We went through that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I checked.
Wait. Let's go back to this one. Is it this one?
That's the... Yeah, that's that door. Yeah, we got all the cats here. What's that?
We haven't gone through that door.
I know, that's the one I'm talking about.
So let's go back.
Okay.
Let's see, find. Where is that? Usually you can find even if there's no line.
I know.
So
It's through the other way. They stole that.
here. Look at that.
Yeah, how do you go through it?
It's still locked.
Yeah.
I think we need to go back in here.
In there? Don't push me. Lily pad. I'm on you. Okay, how about this face?
Did we go through that one?
Yes.
Let's go back to the other door.
Which door? I died. But I'm with you now.
It's a good thing. It looks like they changed it, eh? Before, when you die, you go back to the...
Thing. To the detention.
Yeah. Teacher.
I'm still here. You can't get me, teacher.
You need to find... I saw another door.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna wait for her to go move. You mean the button?
The button.
Ah!
Let's go to the store. There's a blue. Do you have a blue key?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have a blue key.
Get in here.
Where? Okay.
There's a cat. Cat in black.
Ooh,
Let's press the button.
there's a button.
Hey, I got pushed.
Oh, it's blue.
No, you're like blocking. Okay. We can go through here.
We've been here. But we haven't gone through that door yet.
Which door?
The door on our right.
That one?
Yeah, the door on our right.
Let's go to it.
I know.
I'll be through the door, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Past you.
Okay, let's push the
Ooh.
button. Mondria.
I pushed it. Oh, teacher!
Wait a minute. Let me check.
Teacher!
Nothing in here.
Teacher!
Nothing. Is there a cat face?
There's a teacher.
There's a teacher.
Yeah.
We need to jump on the... There's two of them. Oh! This is the same one.
We've been here.
Yeah.
I think we finished.
Let's go back to the other door. Is this the same door that we...
No, that one is.
Check this one. Okay, so...
We've been
through
here.
that one. Let's go
We've been
this
here.
way.
Oh, why is she in here?
Do you have a blue key?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's bring it. Just in case we need it.
I have it.
We finished this one,
We've
right?
been there.
Finished this one.
We went there and here.
Let's go back.
We went there. See?
Yeah, it's okay.
We've been here. I'm parkouring. I'm parkouring. I think so. We'll find the elevator.
Floor 2. We still have a lot of cats to get.
I still haven't
How
found the
many cats?
graduated
How many cats do you have? Floor 2.
floor 2.
I got 63 out of 84. How many?
I'm checking. 63 out of 84.
So
And let me check my one.
Floor 1.
Let me check one. 75 out of 80.
I got 78 out of 80.
I have 75.
Do you wanna go back to floor 1?
No,
Then we can complete it.
I don't care. I want French fries cat.
So which one do you wanna finish? You wanna go to floor 3?
This is Kirby.
Where do you wanna go? Floor 3, floor 1, or search more on floor 2? Let's go back. Okay, now we can open the door.
I think we can make a part 3 and a part 2 about this.
Part 2, finishing floor 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, if you want to see part 3, make sure to like and subscribe. My kitty brain. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see part 4, make sure to Always stay happy.